In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment in Canvas. So if I need to turn in my intro video, I need to go to it in WeVideo first. So when I go to WeVideo, I should click on my projects, and then I'm going to go into my folder for my projects and find my intro. I need to make sure that it's completed and ready to turn in. When I click edit, I will select, after checking it, I will select export and then click on Google Drive. If it's your first time doing this, it'll ask you to authorize your Google Drive. Then I'll click export. And then it will tell me here that I am working on this video. I can also see that it's processing. I can also see over here that I've exported this more than once. So these could have been wrong ones. And so I want to make sure that I turn in the correct one. And so when I look in here, this has got the date. So I created this today. And so that's the one I want to make sure that I turn in. If WeVideo is doing the right thing, it will go to your folder in WeVideo and it will place the video there. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to look for a video that was created today. If it is not there, then I will need to do a different thing. So I'm going to check my WeVideo folder and I don't see it for today, which is the 26th. So I'm going to check. For some reason, I have two WeVideo folders. And it should have been just called Hill and Intro and Outro. And obviously, I've done this several times, but this is my one from yesterday, but that's the wrong one. And so it has not shown up yet. So what I need to do is I need to go back to WeVideo. And I can, if I no longer have this screen up, I'm going to click Done. And I'm going to go check my exports. So I'm going to click on Exports. And my exports are things that are completed videos. Now, this is a video that I could download. This is not, because it is not done processing. When it looks like this, that means that it is done processing. So here's my intro video from yesterday. And so I'm just going to show you how to do this. So I'll hit the three dots and I will say download. Or if I click on this to watch it, and I double clicked, I have the download button right here. I'm going to click download. And then you get a little download button up here in your browser. So then I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to open my WeVideo folder. My WeVideo has to have share settings that say this. Anyone with a link can view it, so only put this in that folder. And so then I'm going to grab my downloads. There's my intro, and I'm going to drag it and place it inside the folder. Once it's done uploading inside my Google Drive folder, I'm going to right-click on it, click Share, and copy the link because I've already made sure that my share links work. Then I'm going to go to my assignment, scroll down to the bottom, and then I will submit it as a website URL. So I'm going to do a new attempt because I've turned this in more than once. I'm going to click right here and I'm going to Control V to submit. Then I can hit submit. If you have an assignment that tells you to upload a video or it doesn't have the website URL, look for the Google icon, click on that, and then you can select it from your Google Drive. Or you can paste your link and always hit the space bar so that it's blue and it actually is a link. And then you may submit your assignment. If you have any questions, you can always ask your teacher.